How to deactivate your Shopify stores. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to deactivate or delete your Shopify store. As you can see, I have three Shopify store here. I'm gonna delete this one. So you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to your settings in the bottom left corner here. And then you can go to plan here. And in the plan page here, you have to make sure you don't have any subscription from the Shopify apps. So you can click on it. And if you don't have anything here, it's good. You can continue, go back again. And then you can just cancel plan here. Click cancel plan. And now you can just choose cancel plan here. And then you can just check it. I have reviewed the information above and click continue. And then you can choose the reason. It's up to you. Maybe it's up to you, whatever you want. And just click, oops, maybe this one. And then click continue and click cancel plan. And then after that, don't forget to delete your payment method. You can go to billing here. And then as you can see, this is my debit card. You can just, delete it and yeah, you're done. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.